This is a 2017 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic Limited. The color of this Limited is vivid black. Being the 17 model, it is equipped with the 107-inch Milwaukee 8 engine. Made it to the 6-speed transmission. Of course, it has the Rushmore Project upgrades, the frame, the saddlebag latches, the redesigned tour pack, the redesigned front fairing with the vent. Being the limited model, it has the LED headlights, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light in the front. This bike is in showroom condition with only 527 original miles on the odometer. This bike is practically new. Not a mark on it. Runs great, looks great. Perfect for your next road trip. Being the limited model, it has the smart security system with the 2 key fobs, 2 keys, also the ABS brakes, heated grips, the 6.5-inch boom stereo system with the navigation, Bluetooth, AM, FM weather band. Also has a hidden compartment with a plug to interface your iPod music or the music on your phone. And it can all be controlled either through the color touchscreen or through the hand controls. Very handy. The seat's in perfect condition. There's no holes, no tears, no cuts, no scrapes, no scuffs. The bike does come equipped with the Harley Davidson luggage for the saddlebags. It also has the luggage for the tour pack. It also has a single Harley Davidson headset, still in the box. Of course, the premium luggage rack. This bike is a great open road bike for your next adventure. Comfortable for you, comfortable for your passenger. Plenty of power with the 107 Milwaukee 8 engine. And plenty of great safety features to keep you safe and keep your bike safe. you're in the market for a new Ultra Limited for your summer adventures, take a good look at this 2017 Ultra Limited with only 527 original miles on it. Save yourself several $1000s off of MSRP. Don't get stuck with the freight charges and the prep charges and the dealer charges and the title dock fees and all the other mystery fees that seem to go with a new bike purchase. And take a good look at this 2017 Limited. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.